Welcome to a new property tour. Today we will explore together an exceptional piece of the Florentine history, a unique castle nestled on the enchanting hills of Impruneta, only 15 minutes drive from Florence city center. The property is composed of a majestic tree-lined entrance, the castle with the central fortified tower from the 13th century, 2 villas on the wings of the estate, 3 loggias, one of them is completely frescoes, and then 8.5 hectares of land with century-old forest and consecrated chapel, a cellar with the opportunity to become a spa area, and the courtyard inside the castle. This magnificent property spans approximately 2,100 square meters, spread on 3 different levels and easy accessible by stairs as well as elevator. On the ground floor we found reception and big rooms, completely full of historical elements, with vaulted frescoes, with copper ceiling and elegant antique fireplace. The castle, in fact, is recognized and preserved by the Italian cultural heritage. One of the particularities of this property are the 2 loggia. It's very uncommon to find a loggia on the ground floor and one on the top of it. The one on the top of this level has a panoramic and breathtaking view. But now we are in the loggia of the ground floor, and as you can see, the incredible vaulted frescoes are the particularity. Behind the fortified walls, there are about 8.5 hectares of land, graced by centuries-old forest, and there is the potentiality to build a magnificent swimming pool. The property also includes a caretaker's villa and a private chapel, consecrated in the medieval style. And there is this incredible opportunity to convert the spacious cellar in a luxurious spa area. Now we are in the 3rd loggia of the property. In the ground floor we still have reception and big rooms, but of course if we go upstairs, the 2nd and the 3rd floor, we're gonna find the sleeping quarters and private apartment for a total of 12 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Let's go inside. The castle dating back to the 13th century and has the occasion to witness the battles between Guelphs and Ghibellines, the famous one. It later underwent a remarkable change and transformation by the Bastiani and Montauti family. Their vision was to merge the splendid residence with the surrounding natural beauty, of course, creating an harmonious relationship with the verdant countryside of Florence. The castle layout is perfect as a family residence, but also has a lot of potential to serve an accommodation facility and is perfect even for hosting luxury events and weddings. Thank you for joining us in this incredible journey through this castle and majestic property for sale at 7 million euros. Don't forget to comment and to subscribe on our channel so you will be updated for the next property tour.